Hello and welcome to the interview dojo demo. So I'll just start at the chat with a simple hello. Okay, and it tells me to get started. Start. Okay, so welcome to Interview Dojo AI. Here's how this will work. So it gives me an explanation of what to do, and then asks me to tell it the job I'm preparing for. So this is like version 1.1, like MVP of MVPs. So job description will suffice, but as we go on, we want to add things like uploading your CV so that you can ask CV specific questions, and maybe pasting a job description just to help you out further, and also enhance it to allow you to do recordings and audio and everything. Yeah, so I'll just go with what is suggested here. So I'll just say product. Okay, let me do something different. So I'll say financial analyst in uh, InsurTech. Yeah. Okay, so it gives me great. I've registered a target role. Now it asks me to answer each question in full. So here's my first question. Describe your experience with financial modeling and analysis, specifically within the context of the insurance industry. Provide examples of models you've built or used and highlight any challenges you face and how you overcame them. So I have no idea what that means, and I'll just answer with the knowledge I have. So I'll just say something vague like I have done financial models for my personal life and made budgets that allowed me to save more and reduce wastage, spend, growing my portfolio to $1 million in Kenya. So of course all this is fake, and let's see what the AI tells me. Okay, so it seems it doesn't quite get my made up story, or it's not buying it. That's why it's telling me to stay on topic. So I'll just restart this. And then say something I'm more familiar with in EdTech. Which one you prefer and why, providing specific examples from your projects. Awesome. So I have worked in Agile scratch. Especially in our now fast-paced world of business, where requirements keep on changing. From your project, in my previous role as a software architect, this allowed us to build our product quickly and solve user issues as it occurred, as opposed to doing it at the end of the development. We solved them in our bi-weekly sprint reviews. Send. So let's see. Okay, something's not working clearly, so let me add, I think I'm supposed to add feedback, yeah, and then the answer. So let's see. Okay, so let's review your answer. Okay, yeah. So here we have 75 out of 100, which is good. Strengths you clearly articulated. While the answer is good, it lacks depth. You could strengthen it by specifying instead of quickly iterate. Provide concrete examples of how you improved. Quantify. Yeah, so pretty actionable advice. And speaking of actionable advice, it finishes with a really good actionable advice, which talks about the STAR method of task action. And this STAR method is further explained in our community, where we have events and topics that people discuss this and share their actual interview story. So hope to see you on board in this journey as we build Interview Dojo. Just to show you, this is your sensei speaking. Thank you for watching and peace out.